Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Mission Options. We have already seen what is option, what is put option, what is call option, what is strike price, what is break even, what is expiry date, and so on. Now, when it comes to options, there are two types of options, put options and call options. People who are buying, expecting the market will go higher, they buy call option. The people who buy option, expecting market to go down, they buy put option. Now, we will talk only about the call option now. The question comes, I'm expecting market to go up. Now the market is trading around 13,000. Nifty is trading around 13,000. Now, which strike price I should buy? Should I buy 13,000 call option, 13,100 call option, or 13,500 call option, or 14,000 call option, or 12,500 call option, or 12,000 call option? Which call option I have to buy? So, based on what option we are buying, so there are three types of call options. One is called ITM, which is called in the money option. Next one is ATM, which is called at the money call option. And the last one is OTM, which is called out of the money call option. So in the money call option, at the money call option, and out of the money call option. Let us say Nifty is trading around 13,000. Nifty is trading 13,000. If you are buying a call option exactly at 13,000, that is called at the money call option. If any strike price above 13,000, 13,100, 200, 300, 400, anything you buy, and that is called out of the money call option. Any strike price below the 13,000, that is 12,900 call option, 12,800 call option, 12,500 call option. So anything less than 13,000 option you are doing, so that is called in the money call option. Which one to buy and what is the risk and what is the reward? So that is what we are going to discuss now. I am going to show you a live example, and this is the option chain. And look at the option chain. Now the Nifty is trading at what price? Nifty trading around 12,968. 12,968 is closer to 13. Round it up to the nearest 50 is 13,000. Okay. Now you look at the call option. Call option is on the left side. And if I want to buy the 13,000 call option, which is at the money, at what price is trading? Is 13,000 call option is trading around 268 rupees. Let us say for the sake of simplicity, let us say 300 rupees. 300 into 75, about 22,000 rupees you have to pay. So you want to buy at the money call option, you are supposed to pay roughly about 300 rupees. So the market will have to go more than 300 points higher by the end of the expiry for you to make money. At the same thing, if you want to buy 13,500 call option, you just need to pay only 76 rupees. That will work out to be around 5,000 rupees. You want to buy at the money call option, you have to pay about 22,000. If you want to buy out of the money call option, about 500 point away, you are going to pay only 5,000, 5,500. The far out of the money you are going, the money that you are paying will be less and less. But what is the catch here? Far out of the money you are going, the probability of winning is also will be going down and down. What is the probability of market going by 300, 400 point? Or what is the probability of market going 700, 800 point? If you buy 13,500 call option at 75 rupees, you will make profit only if the Nifty goes above 13,575. Right now market is around 13,000. Now 13,575. So that means even if the market goes up 575 points, you are going to lose everything. You will make money only if the market goes above 13,575 on the day of the expiry. However, in between, if the market goes higher, this price may go up. If market goes down, this price may go down. Along the way, you can exit always. But I am talking at the expiry. Now, if you want to buy in the money options, will be more expensive. Now, if you want to buy the 12,500 call option, you will be paying about 600 rupees if you are buying 12,500 call option. 600 rupees will translate into about 45,000 rupees. So, any option you are buying above 13,000 is called OTM. At the money means 13,000. Anything below 13,000 is called in the money call option. The NSE option chain, they show it very clearly. You can see 13,000 and above is showing in white color, and 12,950 and below is shown in a slightly yellow color. So, all in white color they are OTM, all yellow color is ITM, and exactly at the 13,000 you have to take it as ATM. The same way for put option also. Put option, you are thinking whether market will go down or not. So, all the put options in the white color, they are OTM, out of the money put option. All the yellow color is in the money put option, that 13,000 or 12,950. You can take it as a at the money put option. So, here we will talk about call option only. So, call option, we are taking three cases: at the money 13,000, out of the money 13,500, in the money 12,500. So, for in the money you pay 600 rupees, that is 45,000. At the money you pay about 275 rupees, that is about 22,000. Out of the money you pay only about 75 rupees, that's only about 5,000. 5,000, 22,000, 45,000. So, you understand that if you are buying in the money option, you have to pay lot of money from your pocket. And you are buying at the money, you are going to pay about 22,000, and you are buying far out of the money, you are going to pay only 5,000. So, in most cases, people who are playing in options, they are the people with little money and they want to take the bet. So, they prefer to go for out of the money options. But let me tell you, the probability of winning is very low in out of the money options. Let me give you one example. Let us say by the end of the month, if the market come and closes at 13,400, and this one we paid 600 rupees, 12,500 call option we buy for 600 rupees, when it is going to 13,400, we will get 900 rupees back. So, that means our profit is 300 rupees per share. In this case, we pay about 300 rupees, 13,000 call option going to 13,400, our profit will be about 100 rupees. But here, though market go to 13,400, your call option is 13,500, and here your profit will be 0 rupees only, right? But however, another case, if the market closes around 13,000, the market closes at 13,000. Here the profit will be 0, but here the loss will be 300 rupees. Because whatever the 300 rupees we paid, everything will go to 0. And here the loss will be 100 rupees. Because we paid 600 rupees, we will get back 500 rupees. Let us say market go to 12,500. So here the loss will be 75 rupees we paid. And here the loss will be 75 rupees. But here the loss will be 300 rupees. But here the loss will be 600 rupees. So, in a way, in the money call option, at the money call option, out of the money call option. And here you have to pay large premium. Here you have to pay medium premium. Here you pay less premium. But if your view is correct, market goes up, and here the reward is less. Here reward is slightly higher, here the reward will be more. But in case if the market goes to 14,000, then probably here the reward may be higher. But if the market goes to 13,400 or 500, the reward will be much less. But in case if your view goes wrong, here the loss is also limited to 5,000, here the loss is limited to 20,000, but here the loss is 45,000. So, in a way, simply putting it, in the money options are high risk and high reward, and out of the money options are low risk and low reward. But in the money options, the probability of winning is very high, whereas out of the money option, the probability of winning is very low. Okay, so let us summarize this once again. ITM is more premium and probability is high, and high risk, high reward. And ATM premium is moderate premium, probability is also moderate, and medium risk, medium reward. And OTM is less premium, you have to pay. Probability of winning is very low, but it is low risk and low reward. So you have to decide now which one you want to do. If you ask me which one I will choose, and I will choose in the money options always. That is because the probability of winning is very high. Later in another video, I will give you how in the money option is used instead of buying long in futures in terms of STT, stamp duty, and MTM losses and other things. But right now we stop here. So we have learned in the money options, at the money options, and out of the money options, and their different characters. Thank you for watching.